Hi, I'm Teacher Kristen, and my favorite indoor activity is to cook. Today, we will cook pasta.
We will use pasta, garlic, onions, tomatoes, and olive oil. First, we must peel the onions. Next, we will cut the onions. Cutting onions might make you cry. Next, we must cut the garlic. Lastly, we cut the tomatoes. After the cutting is done, we boil water for the pasta. First, we cook the onions and the garlic. Next, we add seasoning. Now, the tomatoes. This is going to be delicious.
Oops, I forgot the mushrooms.
Quick, cut the mushrooms. Put the mushrooms in the pot. Don't forget to add salt. Stir it all up. Smells great. The water is boiling. Time to put in the pasta. After a few minutes, it's time to empty the water. Be careful, it's hot. Put some sauce on the pasta.
It's hot. Mmm, 很好吃. Bye.
Interested in learning English with me? Click the link below and find me on Preply. I look forward to meeting you.